Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome to another video of mine. And I'm today here to actually present and welcome everyone to the upcoming free masterclass that takes place this week. And I'm so excited to actually spend the upcoming full week with all of you guys live through daily trainings. So if you would like to sign up, you still have time because the actual masterclass is this Thursday takes place. But actually, we start today opening the Facebook group where we're going to take place the whole community interaction. And of course, interactivity, we're going to share and brainstorm ideas and of course to get to know with each other, which is really important for me, so to tailor the content of this masterclass. And I call it bootcamp because we're going on a daily basis to do practical exercise for your own business. If you're a translator or interpreter, language professionals that you would like to work online and start attracting high quality clients on a consistent basis for your online business, and by business I mean either you're a freelancer or boutique agency owner, this bootcamp, this masterclass is for you. You see the link to still sign up. You still have time. It's totally free of charge, complimentary access. You get to the whole preparation exercise, daily live trainings, and of course the main masterclass, which is 90 minutes, but I would definitely suggest you to block 2 hours because there's going to be a lot of discussion, chatting, and I'm going to answer all of your questions. So how you can make the most out of it? You first sign up through the link that you see here, vmentoring.com/plan your 2026 success. Plan dash your dash 2026 dash success that you see here on your screen and also in the description box of this video. Then you're going to receive an email from info@vmentoring.com. Check also your spam folders. That includes all the links that you will need, also of the Facebook group. Then you need to join the Facebook group, and then you will find on the top of the menu the welcome video, where I also give you instructions on how to make the most out of it and how this bootcamp, this free masterclass works, how you will be able to make the most of it and how you will be able to leave this masterclass with tangible results. That's my also main intention. I will be here next to you to help you to create your plan for success for 2026, your client acquisition strategy, and of course through the daily exercise I will take you through a journey that will take you closer to your goals. The first thing that you need to do for yourself, either you join the masterclass or not, but it's totally free of charge, so you have nothing to lose by joining this masterclass, is to envision yourself in 2026 December, like 1 year from now, how you see yourself. Like, do you consider envision yourself like staying at the same level, state that you are right now, business-wise, or you would like to have achieved something? So write down of your goals, the things that you would like to have achieved, and how you envision yourself in December 2026. We are here to make this happen. I'm here to help you define your goals in a smart way so as you to be able to achieve them. Identify who is your ideal buyer persona, how you will be able to find those clients that they can pay you your own rates, and also respect your work. How you will be able to differentiate yourself by your competitors so as you to be able to attract your ideal clients to you. And of course, on Thursday, I'm going to reveal all of my secrets, the things that I've been practicing myself and that led me to build a 6-figure business, annual income, and 5-figure months my mentees throughout the years. So those are proven strategies with actionable steps that you will be able to actually start implementing right after the masterclass. So don't miss this opportunity for you. I'm so glad to be here. This is the 9th edition of this annual event. It's the best training that I have ever given. Of course, every year I've been updating through the knowledge that I actually learn and get from you guys by running this workshop for so many years right now. I'm so happy. You might ask me why I've been giving that for free. I've always liked to give back to the community. I really believe in giving back to the community, and helping other people really helps us rise as well. I have proven that throughout my career, throughout the years. I've been helping voluntary other colleagues since 2016. I have built the first voluntary mentorship program for the Certified Translators Association here in Greece back in 2016. And of course, since 2019, I've been offering my paid services through my paid mentorship programs like the Fully Booked Translator Formula and the Ultimate LinkedIn Prospecting System, the first comprehensive results-oriented business mentorship programs for language professionals. Either you want to work with me or not, this doesn't really matter. Take this chance to do a gift just for you. Spend these upcoming days live with me so as to take a step further and closer to your own goals and achieving your business goals in 2026. I can definitely guarantee by now that either you are a starting out colleague and you would like to find your first clients, or you are already a well-established colleague, many even older than myself that you are, and you tell me that you are not going to learn something new. I can guarantee that you will learn something new, and everything that I'm going to share through the client acquisition strategies and my retention client retention strategies through this actually live interactive results-oriented masterclass will blow your mind. You will leave by having a totally different perception of the industry and the business side of our industry. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions and worries about joining this masterclass. You have nothing to lose by signing up. You can actually unsubscribe at any time. But by signing up, you will be receiving some reminder emails, the worksheet for the preparation exercises, and of course, the Zoom link for the main masterclass. So 2 preparation exercises starting from tomorrow, Tuesday, December 9th at 3 p.m. Central European Time. Find your own time zone by using timebuddy.com or any similar tool. And join me live in our Facebook group. We're going to identify who is your ideal buyer persona, the person, the actual clients of yours, direct clients, ideally, that they would be willing to pay your own rates. And of course, you're going to learn how to get them on a consistent basis. On Wednesday, again, a second preparation exercise on how to differentiate yourself from your competitors by defining your unique selling proposition, practical exercise, both of them accompanied by a worksheet that you'll be receiving via email 2 hours ahead of the practical exercise that takes place in our Facebook group live. So you join the Facebook group, you refresh your page, and I will be going live in front of you guys. The main masterclass on Thursday is going to take place at 5 p.m. Central European Time, so you'll have more time on Zoom, so now live in the Facebook group. So in order for you to be able to actually join me, you need to have signed up in order for you to receive the private Zoom link to join me live on Thursday. Let me know again if you have any questions. If you join the Facebook group, you will also be able to watch the welcome video where I also give practical advice on how to make the most out of the Facebook community if you would like to learn more. So let's start by sharing my screen so as to answer your most common question I get asked. So the actual main masterclass will take place on Thursday, but I will be going live with you on a daily basis. So the masterclass will start in 3 days from now on Thursday. It's going to be 90 minutes, but I would definitely suggest you to block 2 hours because there is usually a lot of interactivity and questions. It's year 2026, new goals. Let's expand our client list. That's our freelance business. I call it a bootcamp because we're going to be on a daily basis live with business-related workshops and exercises. There's going to be proven actionable strategies, okay, to help you escape uncertainty and overwhelm and make 2026 your greatest year yet. It will take place on December 11th at 5 p.m. Central European Time online on Zoom. Private link will be shared with you. Just need to click secure your free spot and just give your name, email, and give us permission to send you those reminder emails, the worksheet, and everything that you will need. You won't want to miss this workshop if you're ready to start attracting high-quality clients who can afford your services, and of course, to learn how to leverage your marketing strategy to consistently attracting high-quality clients for your translation and interpreting business. So what you will learn in this interactive results-oriented masterclass, there might be also surprise. I always get some inspiration last minute, and also because there's going to be interaction in the Facebook group and the 2 preparation exercises, you give me also ideas on how to leverage my content as well and tailor it to your own needs. That's really important for me. So what you learn, the biggest mistakes that you make that stop you from growing your business, okay? The mistakes that you need to avoid in your marketing strategies to make it thrive over the long term. Proven client acquisition strategies and client retention strategies to market your service online with zero extra budget, detailed breakdown of steps on how to start attracting high-quality clients and create a steady flow of income. How to prospect 100 clients per day or week, depending on your capacity, making a mindset shift, which is really important for me. I can guarantee from now, if you join this actually 3-day bootcamp, you will lead by having totally new mindset and totally new approach and perspective of the business side of our industry. So because how you see yourself and where you are has actually direct impact on how much you grow your business. If you tell yourself, I cannot do this, you won't. If you tell yourself, I can or you cannot, you're right. That's what I've learned from my coach, and I totally believe in that quote. And of course, we're going to discuss a lot about outbound and inbound lead generation approaches that will help you and tools to expand your client list even nowadays during those uncertain times. Extra bonuses for those that they join and stay with me live until the end of the masterclass. Extra client acquisition worksheet to create your own strategy, 30-60-day planner that you will be able to start planning on a weekly, monthly, and even annual basis, all of your goals as to start achieving them. Extra short training, as I mentioned, about identifying your ideal target market and niche. Extra interactive exercise on how to create together your unique selling proposition. 17-page ideal client avatar worksheet to help you identify Q&A sessions with me so as to have all of your questions answered. You won't leave this bootcamp by having any questions unanswered by me. And of course, live coaching and training by me for 3 whole days, and of course, a whole week then. Interactivity and a lot of discussion going on. Who is it for? You've been asking. Are you starting out translator and you would like to start building a client list? This actually masterclass will give you all the tools that you need and knowledge in order for you to set up your strategy and start getting clients right away. If you have been an established colleague or advanced translator, interpreter, language professional, solopreneur, service-based professional, you would like to take the next step, you would like to scale up, you would like to work less and earn more, or you would like to turn from working with agencies to full direct clients, this training is for you to help you to create your own strategy. And of course, if you're a boutique translation agency owner or international development manager and you would like to create a system, set up a system to attract high-quality customers and convert leads into paid clients on a daily basis, this masterclass is for you. So you learn how to market, build, and scale your translation and interpreting business as a solopreneur in 2026. And of course, if you'd like to find out more about me and my background, let me know. I would love to share more details with you. Let me know in the comments, and of course, join the masterclass because we're going daily basis together. So I will be answering all of your questions about me, my background, and why I started mentoring other colleagues. I can't wait to welcome you everyone in this 3-day bootcamp that will help you to actually start planning your success for 2026. No more fear about AI. I know that AI is here and it has been here since I started studying translation. Remember, I started translation in 2002, so 23 years ago. 23 years ago. That I announced that I'm going to study translation, everyone was telling me, are you crazy? Are you going to study something that Google Translate is going to take your work? And still nowadays, not only Google Translate hasn't taken my work, but still it's very far away from actually providing a high quality translation. Not to mention that many of our colleagues are very actually making money and they have created profitable businesses. So you can. What you miss is having a strategy. Most of you are telling me, Virginia, have been sending emails, but no one is getting back to me. Or when I'm asking you, what have you tried in order to get clients? And you tell me, I've sent 10 CVs. That's nothing. This is not a strategy. You need a system. So whenever you need to find new clients, to have it in place. If you feel fully booked or you have already enough clients, that's okay. But it's always good to have in place a strategy. So no matter what happens in the future, you have that process in place to get your clients the moment that you want and bring cash to your business. So let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them. Can't wait to start working with all of you guys that you have already signed up. We have people from all over the world, an international community from Canada, US, Latin America, all the European market here countries. So let me know in the comments if you would like, or send me a direct message if you have any questions. But definitely that's the link. Simple. First step, you click on this link that you will find also in the description box of this video. You sign up, you receive a welcome email. Check also from info@vmentoring.com your spam folder. Click on the Facebook group and join the Facebook community. Apply to join the Facebook community. Then you'll find a welcome video with all the instructions, and all the preparation exercises will take place in this Facebook group. You will have access to the recordings, and the main masterclass will take place on a Zoom private link that you will be receiving via email. So you need to have signed up. Either you want to join the Facebook group or the main masterclass, or both, which is the best experience that you can actually get out of this bootcamp. Plus the worksheets and for the extra preparation exercise will be sent via email. So you need to have signed up in order 2 hours ahead to receive the worksheets and join me live in order for you to make the most out of it and to learn. And by implementing, receiving feedback, asking questions, getting answers, you will be able to make progress even through this totally free of charge bootcamp marketing training for you to be able to get you closer to your goals. So you don't need to join the paid program if you don't have the budget already or the time, or if you're not mentally ready to take such a step. But definitely joining this free masterclass, you will be able to get so much value out of this knowledge, worksheets, exercises, international community, networking. Why to miss such an opportunity? I'm always delivering such trainings in December because I really like also that we have the festive, the actual holidays spirit of Christmas. And I'm always glad to spend those holidays and Christmas time with you guys by offering this great training that I'm so proud of offering that. And I'm very happy to spending this time with you because I'm really pretty sure that you will get results and outcomes by joining this free training. Let me know if you have any questions. Can't wait to welcome you in this bootcamp. And of course, see you inside. Bye-bye for now. Have a great rest of the week.